To our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create chatbots using OpenAI's GPT. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply create like a dedicated chatbot using OpenAI's chat GPT, then this process simply involves OpenAI API to power the conversational logic. You can simply approach this either through no-code platforms or tools, or by building a custom solution using code Python or Node.js or any other code building custom solutions. So if you're using a no-code platform, which is one of the most convenient way to do this, you need to simply define the code. So you need to simply define your code of conduct, how you want it, how is the scope, and what is your purpose. Now you need to choose a platform as well and confirm the bot. You need to give the system message instructions, and you need to also upload your own data or document to allow the bot to answer questions based on your specific content. You need to now use the platform's interactive testing environment to refine the bot's response. Once satisfied, you can typically deploy it to a web app or embed it to your website using a widget or snippet. So if you're using your own coding, then you can simply have an OpenAI account, secret API key, and a development environment with a chosen language, which Python is one of the most popular one. So you can simply do it through Python code dot Node.js or any other code building application. So I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.